Mix 106.3. You got Nick this morning. Now, Christian and Rod, they caught up with Toots yesterday, a.k.a. Jared Kroger from the mighty Canberra Raiders, and it's all about creating our own storm.
The 8,000 or 9,000 that are there, rain, hail or shine or snow or whatever, that throughout the whole season, win, lose or draw, they're really loud, and they either, when we're in the game, they get us over the line, or when we're behind, they get us back in the game. They're just, 8,000 or 9,000 sounds like 20,000 sometimes, so I can't imagine what, 15, 16, 17 it's like. So get out there and support us on Monday night. It'll be a big game.
If you haven't been to a game of footy this year, this one you don't want to miss. Look, people have been whinging about no home final. Look, here's your home final. Monday against the Storm, against the best team in the competition. Sorry to be harsh, but no excuses for this one. Let's get 15,000 there, bind together and support the boys. Warm clothes were invented for a reason. Scarves, beanies, jackets, they're all there for a reason. Let's whack them on, fight the cold and support our team. Let's go the green machine. Let's get 15,000 there and get them home, because look where we are. Look where we are, people.